Here's something a little different from my normal rebuilding videos. This is more of an informative type of thing. When you call in for you needed a kit, what you do is you'd get this number right here. It's mounted on, stamped into the mounting flange. Could be anywhere on here, but that's like the normal spot. And you see I got a 4654 pump. I need a kit for it. So the person on the counter that answers the phone looks up a 4654 and comes up with a FPA 248 kit. And you say, okay, great, send it along. You get the kit, take your pump apart, and you go to put it back together, and lo and behold, it's wrong. The vacuum side pull rod looks like that, as opposed to that. And you see the valves. I've got 4 of the same size valves, and the one in the kit has big valves for the fuel side. So obviously your first reply is going to be, you sent me the wrong kit. Well, we really didn't, because going by that number, the kit is going to have big valves instead of small valves, and you're going to have a different vacuum diaphragm. The rubber is going to be the same, and the fuel side is correct, but the valves are wrong. So if you grab the phone and you say you sent me the wrong one, well, give me the application. Yeah, I have a 53 Corvette. Well, that's not the right. It's not the right pump number. That goes to an AMC. Look a little closer on around these screws that are around here, and there's a little tag. The tag says 9797. That fits a 58 to 60. Fits a Corvette. 52, 53 Corvette. Oh, well, this is the kit that you need. Comes with all these small valves, the right kind of So what I'm getting at is, you call it in by number, you should also give them the application. The reason that happened with this one here is because it was previously rebuilt for AC by an independent rebuilder, and they grabbed this body. These two pieces fit the Corvette, but this body doesn't, and all they do is just change the arm to fit a Corvette. And by changing that arm, it also changes the links that are inside. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see those are the vacuum links right there. So my suggestion is, whenever you call up and order a kit, if you're going to do this at home, make sure, look all around the pump, see if there's a tag on there somewhere. Go by the tag, because that's the last thing that goes on it, not necessarily that number. It could also have 9797 stamped on it, but you wouldn't have had a problem if it did. Look all around the pump, see if it's been rebuilt previously by an independent rebuilder. It also helps, if you can, email a picture of your pump. Then the person at the other end of the phone will be able to identify it by looking at it. So be careful ordering a kit. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment section below. Share this if you can. Subscribe and like the video. And thanks for watching. I hope it helps you.